Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Threads account permanently. Make sure to stick around till the very end so you don't miss any steps and can remove your account successfully. So let's get started. First, open the Threads app on your device and log into your account if you have not already. Next, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on the horizontal lines in the top right corner and this will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, select account and here you will see several options related to your Threads account. Now look for the option labeled as delete or deactivate account. Click on it and once you click on it, Threads will provide some details about what happens when you delete your account. So read them carefully and once you are sure about your decision, click on delete account. But keep in mind that this section is permanent and all of your data will be erased. Now to complete this process, enter your password and then click on delete. And with that, your account will be successfully deleted. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.